Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kani kediga update report jong COVID-19 state Meghalaya jungi. Ado bentang idon kat are ligi active cases nang ta kibala de pha ya sampel adu benda si gilong kat kendai hajar ndus pa saun riu we kendai riu saun riu nang ta kibala tested negative adu benda si dari Julai gilong kat kendai hajar saus pa sau nang ta de ki bagindang up pade ya ke result ke bagindang pha benda test gilong si spa prabu kendai bar kitu ki barang wan nabar ke Meghalaya hadu benta ki palapoi ilongkat kendai hajar aspa life away kini kidi boro ki update latest COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya ke BSF kam kalalong isolation lupahi long isolated lupahi gimnot mano wale ya ka through fare from the po you kalalong lupahi very isolated gimpat declare hi kom containment area tang itu area ki basa wai maki ki besap hang tu pompling ya tu area hi ila declare as a containment area we have found two more new cases from the BSF one is from the inside the camp of the BS camp, one is from outside the camp staying rented house in Umpling locality. So those are outside the camp already have been declared as the containment area. And those are in the camp, this is already isolated area. Kini kami berfaham sebar kini berdon hang tuhi apa BSF. They are from there only. They are not coming from outside.
Susu ban kam ban syai. At least ki pai ba kim dei ban ting ban sme namar kam pat don ke community spread. Kami ongi DHS mentan, kami ongi Honorable Health Minister mentan, kolong ba, ketik bejia hapo KBSF kampus, kelalong lepa isolated, nang tan nembutu pada kitu ki bersongwai sabar, mentak ke government, nak kalian ke district administration lu, kila declare bakal ke containment area, nang taya kanika tracing, ke contact tracing lu lah deble. But ke report ke bayo kolong ba negative kilong negative nakakadaw ko mga pi ngimday ban ting ban smith ya kani but ndai ta menin ru nakaliang jong ka health department commissioner secretary but ki officials na ka health department class meeting but UDIG jong ka BSF ban pentikna bakan nemdon ka spread sya ki civilian kabasay kedar kolong bakiru kilong committed Piong ki BSF, piong ki CRP, ki paramilitary forces, laidon meeting, but ki la kit kle, yala kijong ki nongtre joki, nadu ban siaw nang ten bodar, kabang nadu no gati, lane nadu silsar, kin kit kle, nakle kejat, ban pentikna, ba kanum don kanu kontak, lane ka public contact, bat no ru hadu ban dadep ka SOP ka protokol ka balabu na ka benta joki baki deban pendep karsauski